Morning, assalamu alaikum. Here I am teacher Samra, and now today I am just going to teach you the English, that how to write the sound and how to pronounce the sound. This is mo sound. This is mo. Mom and dad make many meals for their hungry children. Mo monkey, ma mushroom, ma moon, mo mango. This is your today's work. Now we are going to do the page. This is our today's page. First write down the date, 19 August 2020. Wednesday, WEDNESDAY. It's a sound, alright? You have to write it straight. Then move on the same line, and when you reach here, take a turn, go down, then again go back, again take a turn, and a little flick. This is mango. Now you have to color the mango. What is the color of mango? Yellow. Yes, yellow. You do yellow color here. Okay, now here on this page you can see the dotted So what do you have to do? Yes, you have to trace your pencil, but with full care. Pencil movement dot se bahar now. This is sound. Is a grass letter. You have to write sound between two lines. आप ऊपर वाली लाइन को भी छोड़ देंगे, नीचे वाली लाइन को भी छोड़ देंगे. आप सिर्फ लिखेंगे two lines. You have to start on the dot, go down. अब उसी लाइन पे सेम वापस आना है, ऊपर पहुंच के टर्न करना है. अब फिर उसी लाइन पे वापस आना है, टर्न करना है, and a little flick. This is mango. So you have to do the whole page to take color and writing. Will you do neat and clean? It's a promise. Thank you, my cute students. Okay, now we are going to revise our alphabet. Okay? I'm going to write sounds. Alright? This is Alright? A sound. This is boo. Boo sound. This is k. D. G, H, E, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R. Okay, today we learn 18 R sound. Okay, keep doing practice at home. It's much necessary. Alright, now I'll say to my cute students, take care of yourself. Bye bye.